Musamseleku want Mangwabe and Makumalo to accept Makwela as his wife. Even they accept her, but they are not going to get along because Makwela, she is too close with Macele, and Makwela, she want to be honest to Macele. We know that Macele doesn't like Makumalo at all. That's why you saw Macele hate Mangwabe. Macele at the first time when she saw Mangwabe, she doesn't have a problem with Mangwabe, but Macele saw that Mangwabe, she is too close with Makumalo. That's why you saw at that time on season 6, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they had an issue, and Macele was very happy because they are look like maybe they are not getting along. Macele hate Makumalo. Macele doesn't want anyone to be close with Makumalo. So it is going to be difficult with Makwela. We know that Makumalo can forgive Makwela, but Macele doesn't like it to those people too close, because Macele can remind Makwela that I stand with you all the times. Look at Sneh. Sneh has those people Mangwabe and Makumalo because of Macele. Sometimes you can say Macele is a nice person. We don't know what she is feeding those people. Macele, the way she is feeding, even Musamseleku, you know, sometimes you don't understand. So Macele doesn't want even Makwela to get along with Makumalo. Macele is enjoying those misunderstanding between Makumalo, Musamseleku, Makwela, because Macele, she want to be too close with Makwela. She want to use Makwela. So guys, the Makwela and Makumalo, even Makumalo accept Makwela, but they are not getting along because of Macele. Macele, her friend is Makwela. Makumalo, her friend is Mangwabe. So it is going to be difficult. That's why you saw Mangwabe is fighting Makumalo Z. You know, sometimes those people, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they stood with each other. Macele want to be close with Mangwabe at the first time. What we saw, want to go out with Mangwabe, what. But Macele saw that Mangwabe, she is very honest to Makumalo. Even Mayeni want to be too close with Mangwabe, but Mangwabe doesn't like it. She want to be honest with Makumalo because they are too close. Mangwabe knows that Mayeni and Macele, they like weather the way they are, the two of them. Macele, sometimes she is in good mood, bad mood, even Mayeni. But when it comes to Makumalo, she is normal. You know that Makumalo, her mood, guys, she is very normal. She can't pretend or what. People, they say Makumalo pretends, what. But what I saw to Makumalo doesn't have moods like other wives. Like today, she is angry. Tomorrow, she is happy like Mayeni and Macele. So, Mangwabe choose Makumalo. That's why they don't like Mangwabe most of the time, especially Macele. Macele doesn't have an issue. She have got an issue with Makumalo. So, even Makwela and Makumalo, they can't get along because of Macele. Because the Macele now, she is too close with Makwela. So, guys, it is going to be difficult. And Macele want those people not to accept Makwela. And Macele knows that when they not accept Makwela, and Msamseleku is going to upset, they are not getting along. So Macele, guys, loves to see those people, they misunderstood each other. Mangwabe, Musamseleku, and Makumalo. Macele is enjoying because she is too close with Musamseleku. Macele is using Makwela because Makwela doesn't know that she is being used by Macele, but at time maybe she is going to open her eyes and so that Macele is using her. It's not about Macele loves Musamseleku to have him polygamy, to have Istanbul. No. Makwela, she is being used to take advantage of those wives. Makumalo, Mangwabe, Mayeni, they have to feel the pain Macele feels. Especially Mayeni and Mangwabe are threatening Musamseleku that we will go. So Macele want them to leave Musamseleku, but they are not going anywhere. Especially Mangwabe and Mayeni. That's why Sneh was asking Musamseleku, why are you paying their houses? What? Because Sneh, what she is talking, guys, she had with Macele. They are discussing about those issues with Macele.